Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about something that totally changed the way we pay, send money, or we even do business all in one place. It's called UpCX, and trust me, it's not just another crypto project, it's like combining PayPal, Visa, e-bank, and a crypto wallet into one super app. Let's break it down in the easiest way is possible. Think about this. When you buy a coffee, your card payment goes through bank network or processor before the shop get money. It feels instant, but it's really not. It can be, or even days for business to actually receive those funds. And if you are sending money overseas, of very delay, fees, headache, and much more. That's why I am going to introducing UpCX step in a next generation method for a payment system and making these transactions instant, cheap, and super secure. Yes, UpCX is also offering you open source payment system built with high speed. Welcome to the financial world, and open source mean anyone can use, and how it actually working. You will see a transparent community-driven ecosystem. It's the design specifically for payment financial service, so it's not just about for a crypto. This is also everyone money stuff. But that cool part, it's as fast as credit card, but it's decentralized. Like their UpCX there's push, non-custodial ASQ, multi-signature payment, and no hidden fees settlement. And there you can also get think of these automated rules. For example, pay rent every month, release fund only when both parties agree. You can set up a recurring payment, schedule transfer even non-custodial screw without a bank. There is custom token, and business user can create their own digital money like loyalty points and stablecoin collectibles. So here is answer cross. Guys, next you can also check there is unsophisticated privacy setting offline payments, and you can answer like let's say you want to say in Bitcoin payment, but in your fan want to receive in USD, no problem. UpCX system automatically convert it in during the transaction. Connect with UpCX and their social media link and this blockchain that is going to give you and a lot of feature on a single interface. UpCX is saying on the computer string. If the design for real world, they are working with the proof of stake. POS and also shops can accept UpCX payment easily. And yes, there you can also get something really here. That is crypto ATM new deposit and withdraw UpCX asset. Built-in messaging so you can chat while send money emitting texting. You have a friend paying them with SIM chat. And yes, it's all part of super app. Now, where you can also start their message and share with them bookings, manage your asset, all one platform. That is about UpCX. UpCX is also development about the hardware. There is also a good VN that is more than just a blockchain and movement. It's keeping your money safe, quantum resistance cryptography protect your future from hacking tech too. So yeah, it's built for today. Be ready to join it, and now there you can also get the roadmap. According to that, you will know what is the next to VN and how they are going to achieve it. Because, so to sum it up, UpCX is building the fast, flexible, and secure payment system that they have making the best solution in the technology in their algorithm. And yes, there are main features. Multi-asset transfer, from mobile transfer, there will be named account, there will be referral, there will be product like their UpCX wallet, their Bob app, and their hardware wallet as well. You can also get their tokenomics details too, how much is total number of token, their utilities, where this will be used as distribution, and if you want to meet with their team, that is also here. You can meet with them, and you can also ask anything from them. They will give you response, and you can also follow them on their official Twitter, where you will be given a complete details. Inside, you can also be one of the community member too. And if you found this video helpful, give it thumb, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more tech simple. Until next time, stay curious and stay smart.